Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. I'm going to review a Royal Cup Signature K-Cup, coffee K-Cup. I done a Royal Cup brand the other day. I think it was Rainforest Reserve or something. I wasn't real impressed with that one, if I remember correctly. So this one here sounds different. I mean, this is a signature, for one thing. It says bold. Usually that means like, like a full dark roast. I'm looking forward to this one, hoping this is going to be like a really good one here. Let's check this thing out. Did you get a good look at this? Yeah, that didn't, let me see. Yeah. That's what I thought. It didn't puncture the bottom very good. Been having a little trouble with that. There it goes. Man, am I gonna have to push down on every one of those just to make sure it gets all the way through? Don't like that feature. The needle, the puncture needle on this one, this is the Bella Pro Series from Best Buy. I think it's a Best Buy brand, but the needle is like, the gauge is huge. I mean, it's like a, here we go. See the button press? No, it's not a button press. This end of this screwdriver, see that? It's about that, it's that round. So the needle part is just like, I mean, just like the tip of this screwdriver. It's big. So it makes it harder to puncture through this hard plastic of some of these cups. All right, taking a break here. Trying out one of these other different coffees. It's not very dark. It better get darker than that. I'm a little worried about this one. It didn't say the roast level on there. It didn't say light, medium, or dark. But when it said bold, I mean, that's either strong flavor or dark roast, in my opinion. So, yeah, what's streaming out of there doesn't look that dark. As it says signature, that's kind of a little higher quality type of a title. So I would expect more from this, and this looks like a dark tea. Just a little bit of a browner, darker tea. Yeah, that. Light smokiness, light nuttiness, light caramelization, light. Okay, let's see what we got here then. Light roastiness, light bitterness, light acidity, very mellow, too mellow, light almond, yeah, light roastiness, light smokiness, not bold, light carbon. Wow. I had high expectations for this. Okay, let's start off with my highest number in my rating system is 5. So far we have low aromas, low tasting characteristics. So I'm taking off a point for that. Because of the title of the K-Cup made me think this is going to be an extraordinary coffee with the bold in there and the signature in there. It was not, so I'm taking away a point for that. So right now we're at a 3. Boy, it really has some very low flavors. Let's see if we can't save this thing. Just put a little bit of regular creamer in there. No, that didn't do anything for it. I just went through this morning. With another one. Okay, let's see. No, I didn't put that much flavored creamer in there. And still I taste more of the creamer than I do the coffee. That's how very light the flavor is. So it couldn't make it a 4. It's going to stand at a 3. So yeah, pretty disappointing now. Royal Cup. Rainforest. I don't know where that fits in. The other one was a Rainforest. I don't know if that's part of their brand name. I haven't researched into it very much, but at all. Bold signature. See, it's just like false advertising. Just okay. Well, there you go. That's it. Well, thank you all for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.